Hello and welcome to Shortcut Up CNC. This is going to be tip number 3, how to change a molding toolpath profile. Let's say you wanted to change this profile from a single profile to like a wing type profile where you got a double double curvature in here. Alright, we're going to close the toolpath down because when you're in the drawing mode, it affects the drawing area. It keeps you from working, things from happening in there. Both of the items are selected. Remember, the drive rail and the profile is on layer 2. So whenever we might change the profile or the drive rail, you want to keep it on layer 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to delete this profile, and we're going to draw a vector. It's going to be a 0.25 vector. Hit the space bar and it breaks up the vector. Okay, that's a 0.25 vector. We close this, and let's take this vector and we're going to move it near center there, and we're going to flip it about the center, creating a mirror copy over here. So there, we got that done. Now we're going to create our curvature that we want. We go from center to center and then to the center of that. Now we create another one from here to here. Click that. Now we delete the unwanted vectors. Now these are two separate vectors. What we want to do is we want them as one total vector. It's two open vectors. We want to make it just one open vector. So we highlight them both, select this, and here it'll tell you the same thing. You got two open vectors. After joining, you'll end up with one open vector. So we join it. Now it's one open vector instead of two. Okay, now we select the drive rail, shift key down, select the profile, and then the molding toolpath, and everything looks good there. So all we have to do is calculate that, and we reset the profile of the material board. And let's see, I need to change the order of this because this is the original profile that we had when we started. This is the new one, number 2. We're going to select those two toolpaths, and we're going to preview the visible toolpaths. Now we double click on the excess material. There you have a double curvature that was made with the molding toolpath, and all we changed was the profile vector. The vectors are still on the same layer. See there, your profile vectors on layer 2. Now we'll make the rectangle an active layer. Turn off the profile and the drive rail, that layer, and there all you have is your part rectangle. So there you have it. the molding toolpath being changed with just the profile vector. Tip number 3. Thank you for watching Shark Cut Up CNC.